Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I am Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and YouTube, and you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. We're gonna check out some beard products today. You heard me right. I don't want to keep you waiting, so let's get started. First product up, it is Goodline Grooming Company Beard Balm. Size of this is 3.3 ounces, and it is $9.99. This is actually a CVS brand, which means it can only be purchased at CVS. Fantastic. Now also when you purchase it at CVS, if you want to take a look at their website first, usually it shows the nearest location to you of which store has it. Now I put in my address and there are no stores around me. There is one, but it was like further out that has it. But you guys in your location might be luckier than me. Sadly, there is no expiration date that I see here, but it is free of parabens, phthalates, and never tests on any animals. You can make your beard the most stylish of them all. With Goodline Grooming Company, this is a handy styling balm. It puts the power in your hands, so that you can shape and style your beard any way you like. And this is the funny part. I kid you not, they said this. Remember, with a great beard comes great responsibility. Where have I heard that before? So that is the reason why you need the best styling products that work for you. At least these styling products is what they're recommending. You don't even have to use it for your beard. You can also use it for your hair.
Interesting.
You are a multitasker. Now it really does just say beard, but they recommend on their website that you can use it for hair also. When you slap on this beard balm, it should prevent any flyaways and keep your beard looking perfect all day long. Now how is that? It has a reliable hold. It is also great for all skin types and even sensitive skin. It says so right there. Now I just want to show you how it looks like. Okay, here it is. It smells like lemons. There it is. My man's been using this, so it's almost gone. Lemon or lime, not sure which one, but it has that citrus smell. Yeah. Now on their website, CVS's website, they mention that it smells very woodsy. Yeah. This is formulated with beeswax, so it could be a firm but movable hold. It also has bergamot oil and green tea extract. That is supposed to add a mild, pleasant scent. And of course, soothe to nourish and moisturize the beard. Not to mention glycerin. It has PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, then patchouli oil, peppermint oil, black pepper seed oil, aloe vera, leaf juice powder, and last it has eucalyptus globulus leaf oil. Now let's get to using this little guy on this big guy. Here he is. I'm going to use it on this side of the face, the beard, right here. Okay, here we go. Get some. So it says to get a small amount. This might be too much. There we go. Especially when I'm only doing half of the beard. Try and warm it up with my fingers. Melts very fast, actually. And then, here we go. We're going to put it on you, sir. So that's pretty much it. They just say warm it up with your hands and then apply it. Get all the way to the end. Get his mustache too. Can't forget that. There we go. Nice and shiny. Now usually when you buy clippers, it comes with like a little beard comb. You could go ahead and just comb through your beard. Style it any way you like. There we go. Looking good. It also highly recommends you to style your beard a mustache, when you apply it, put it at a downward motion. That's why you see me doing this or this. You don't want to go against your hair growth. Do it with it. That will help prevent flyaways. You could comb it downwards as well. Now, if you're going to do it on your hair, they want you to start from the sides, work your way towards the back, and then upwards in the hair. And then style it as usual, as they say. Up close so you can see the difference. No product. Gives it a nice shine, actually. Okay, thank you, sir. We're going to the next product now. Next product we have GIBS Conman Hair and Beard Pudding Leave-In Conditioner. Now this guy, as you can see, my boyfriend loves. It's almost empty, completely. Got a little, probably like a squirt left. I just decided to buy him more. He used it really fast. Like this one he just used and it's already down there. So yeah, he loves this stuff. The size of this GIBS is 3.25 ounces and cost around $12. Then there is also a 7.5 ounces. It looks a little bit more kind of like this shape. That one is around $21. Then, of course, there is this 19-ounce one right here. And this one costs $44. It might not look the same because here it says BFD and it doesn't say that here. Also, it says leave-in conditioner on this one and then it doesn't say that here. But my boyfriend tested it and he said it is for sure the same thing. I'll post a picture as well of all the sizes here. Then this one, you're like, what about the other size that I saw you hold? This one is the 8 ounce. This is new. I found it in the stores, not on their website though. They do have the picture of it, but I don't see an option to purchase this 8 ounce size, nor a price. Very interesting. You guys let me know though if you figured out the website and you pulled it up, because I couldn't pull it up. But I found it in store. So here it is. The new look and new size. So which stores can you purchase it at? Okay, let's go on the website first. You have GIBSgrooming.com and then Amazon. You could purchase it at Amazon. And you could also find GIBS at Sally's Beauty Supply and Pro stores for pros only. And the price for this, which I found on Amazon, they sell it for $21, sold by Amazon, shipped by Amazon.
So you're good to go.
You could get it there. 8 ounces. Should last you around 24 months. You can use this pudding daily as a moisturizing foundation styling aid. Or just use it alone for a silky finish. Beard and scalp hydration is what you get with GIBS Conman. Perfect for any hair texture, from thick, curly hair to fine, straight hair. It is also great for sensitive skin. Oh, and hey pros, it is also great for hair cutting. What? If you're going to use it as a cutting aid, it will hydrate the hair, allowing a better cut. It is also a great product to use after a buzz cut. It should help soften the pokey hairs. Poke, poke. And another thing, pros, you can also use it right before a blow dry in woman's hair. So use it in the wet or towel dried hair, or after the blow dry you can use it on dry hair, because it is like a regular leave-in conditioner. And also it should help detangle your hair. I should try it myself. And apparently it should also help to volumize the hair. Now we're going places. Making thin hair look fuller and thicker. Says that it is great as a base for any hairstylists that need volume and lift. Now we're going to talk about beards. let's get back to the beards. Okay, they say that you could use it on the beard as a styling aid instead of a balm, which was the last product, to get a natural shine and mild control. It is the perfect thing to use before blow drying any beard or even your hair. Helps smooth and control. Now let's smell this baby. Since this one is already almost to its last drop, the smell is kind of weak, so I'm going to smell the new one. Here we go. Ooh. Oh wow, yeah, way stronger. Ooh. That's a good smell. It is musky, very manly smell. It is fragrance / perfume. It's luxurious, very luxury smell, like at Sephora or something. They say that it is warm and spiced with hints of cardamom, petitgrain, pepper, and oak moss. Wow. It has hydrogenated castor oil, guar gum, and hibiscus extract. That is all packed up into this pudding to moisturize as much as possible for your hair. It also has cyclopentasiloxane, butylene glycol, and biotin. Okay, so when you apply this product, you want to make sure your hair is like not super wet, but towel dried. Damp, basically. So I had to go wet his hair. It's all nice and wet. And then also if you're using it on your regular hair, most likely you're going to go shower, then towel dry it, and then you could apply the product if you're using it, male or female, on your short or long luscious hair. And they also want to make sure that you have it detangled already. So we're just going to detangle him a bit. Okay, here we go. I'm going to use his new one. Okay, there it is. And then from root to end. There we go. Alright, get all nice and in there. And then you could either use your fingers to style it. They do say you could twist it, knot it, create any desired texture you would like. Just play around with it. If you need to add more, go ahead and add more. And then you could go ahead, air dry it, blow dry it, diffuse it if you have curly hair, and that would be pretty much it. Of course, if you're trying to do volume in your hair or soft volume, you could use a brush, a vent brush, the one with the air holes in them. Those guys. And of course, they are trying to sell their products, so they do mention that you can make a bit of a cocktail with their other products, meaning you can mix and match, grab the other products, mix them in with this one for your beard. They do have a lot of beard products, so then you'll be good to go. Hair, of course, looks shiny because it's still a little wet, but there he goes, looking good. Looking good, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you again. Got that buzz cut. Okay, we're going to get into the results. Let's do it. First results we're going to get into is TikTok. Okay, here we go. Okay, and the winner is... Boom! 100% GIBS! Woohoo! You won! Yay! 100%! Congratulations, GIBS! Alright, good one, good one. Now, for the YouTube results, here we go. YouTube! And the winner is... Boom! Also GIBS! Hey! GIBS won! Yeah! Again, 2 times. That means they are definitely the winners. Yes. Definitely. Congratulations, GIBS. Good job. Okay, do you guys agree with that? Do you like GIBS? Have you used GIBS? Or do you like Goodline? Have you tried Goodline? I know it's only being sold at one place, but let me know if you came across it. We did, and we tried it. And by we, I mean my boyfriend tried it. Or have you came across GIBS and tried GIBS? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know. Share your reviews of it with me. Yes, okay. And then I will feature you guys in next week's video. Well, okay, that's all. Yep. Yes, that's all. I will see you guys next week. Keep on loving that makeup. I got gloss on. And keep on rocking. Oh yeah. Bye.